Rattling noise, squeaky sound, high pitching and whistling. That's what our customers tell us about their dryers. In this video, I'm going to tell you what can be the root cause of all this music in your Samsung dryer. Hello homeowners, I'm Gary. I run my appliance repair business, Tackle Appliance Repair, here in Calgary. Today I'm going to share with you a few tips regarding the noisy Samsung dryers. It would apply to all of the other makes as well, but Samsung dryers are famous for being infirm on the mechanical side. We actually repair between 7 to 10 Samsung dryers each week with just those mechanical issues. There are 3 elements in your dryer that can cause this unpleasant noise. Number 1 is the drum support roller. Drum support rollers, really important thing. Keep your drum spinning in the proper position. So there are 4 of them. Usually 1 or maximum 2 are broken.
These are a very common point of failure. These wheels, but you can see they're moving pretty good. There's a buildup of dog hair along the sides, but that's not terrible. We'll clean that out before we put it back.
This part is brand new and you can see that it's freely spinning. Perfect condition, brand new. In most of the cases, this bishop and the bearing sometimes is just fell apart because, again, you constantly overload your dryer.
And same with these wheels. You give them a little spin test, so that looks really good. Almost brand new. You want to avoid using WD-40 on them, typically speaking, just because if there's any spare lint or whatever else, it'll actually attract it. The bearing itself rides on it very well just by itself without any lubricant.
Number 2 is drive motor idler pulley. One of my favorite part. It's breaking all the time. You can even see the crack right in here. This part is broken because you constantly overload your dryer. There is a golden rule I provide my customers. Put the half of the top maximum. In this case, you prolong the lifetime of your dryer and not break this important part.
A very common point of failure on Samsungs are the pulley. What happens is the belt rides within a certain spot, but what it can do is it can kind of dig into the wheel itself and it can damage the pulley, forcing it to either not move or move very reluctantly. So in that case, what we do is we typically replace it with a new one.
And finally, Samsung dryer drive motor. The heart of your dryer, main muscle of that, and one of the most expensive part. I would say in most of the cases, people just buying a new dryer in case the drive motor is broken. In case you have a broken dryer with the mechanical issues such as broken support drum rollers, idler pulley, or the drive motor itself, it's always questionable to fix it or not. I would say if the repair is gonna cost less than 400 Canadian dollars, it probably makes sense to fix it. If you have a broken drive motor, I don't really recommend you doing that because that's the most reliable part and it's really pricey. If it's just the idler pulley or drum support roller, I would say go ahead and fix it. Drive motor, very questionable. And please don't overload your dryer. You'll prolong the lifetime of this major appliance in case you put less than a half of the top. Better do more loads instead of one huge load. That's gonna prolong the lifetime of your dryer and save you some money.
And start.
If you still have some questions, I'm more than happy to answer all of them. Drop the line into the comments, smash the like, and see you in the next video.